Assalamu alaikum. How you can write a compelling research proposal? As we know, preparing a convincing research proposal is very important to be successful in your research. Whether you are doing this research for promotion, or you are doing it for some award, or you are doing it for academic purpose, like you are, let's say, postgraduate students or PhD students, and you want to be successful in your project. As we know, a compelling research proposal is the keys to secure funding and advancing your research. So if you are applying for research fund, so it is very important that you submit a compelling research proposal, a research proposal that is acceptable, that really appeal to the readers that this is the research need to be done. So in this video, we're gonna guide you through some process in the drafting a research proposal that captivates reviewers and increases your chances of success in submitting your research proposal. At the beginning, again, as we said, a convincing research proposal is the key to unlock funding and advance your research. So it is the first step that you want to tell your sponsors that this the research need to be done. So it is your chance to make the strong first impression, because this will be the first communication, or the first contact between you and the research committee, or your supervisor, or the funding agency for your research. So it is very important that you submit something very acceptable and need to be done. So that's why it is very important for you at this stage to graft a proposal that can differentiate your research from other research done before and increase your chances of success, because your research proposal should tell the readers or anyone interested in this topic, anyone reading your proposal, that this research can be done and the researcher will be successful in conducting this kind of research. So this is very, very important. So with that, while you are preparing your proposal, you need to know who are the reviewers. So as we said, so if you are applying for the fund, research funding for this project, or for the awards, to be given to you because of this research, so you need to know who are the reviewers. So you need to identify the specific funding agencies. So what are the agencies that are funding this research? And who are the reviewers for these agencies? Those are the committee, the team will be reviewing all the application, all the research proposal. So they will be assessing and evaluating your proposal. You need to know them. You need to know their background, their interests. So it is very important to know what kind of research they are doing, what are the kind of research they might be interested in. So you need also to research their funding priorities. What are the priorities they are looking for? And some of the past projects, some of the past research project that has been approved, or were successful in getting the funding for their proposal. Look at those past projects and learn from them. Also, consider the reviewer's expertise and background to tailor your language and approaches. So knowing the reviewers, their expertise, their background, their interests, their areas is very important for your success in submitting your research proposal. While now you are drafting your proposal, try to hook your readers. Start with the captivating introduction that clearly states the research problems and its significance. So try from the beginning of the proposal, tell your readers about the importance of your research, the research problems that you are going to investigate, and how this investigation is significant in conducting this research. Also, use the convincing, compelling language and storytelling to engage the readers and highlight the impact of your research. Make sure that you highlight the impact of your research very clearly so that the readers, they really understand how this research will impact this area, how this research will contribute to this area, what are the new contributions for your research. Also, make sure that you present a clear and logical research plan. Outline the method that you're gonna use in your research, timeline, and also anticipated outcomes. So make sure that you have a very good plan, the beginning of the project and the end, how you are going to do this research within the coming 2 months, what you are going to do within coming the 6 months, 12 months. So outline the plan, and also the methods of your research, how you are going to collect the data, how you are going to approach the participants in your research, what approach you will use, the permission, the tools, and the equipment you will need, and also talk about the anticipated outcomes. What are some findings the committee can expect from this research? This will be a very good point to support your proposal. So also you need to use evidence, and collaborations. Provide strong evidence to support your research questions, to support your research purpose, including relevant literature, data, the existing data you have already, and also some preliminary findings. So if you have any kind of those information, relevant data, literature, and preliminary finding, also use all these elements to support your research questions. Also, you need to highlight your expertise, your experience in this field. Try to show the readers and the committees that you are expert in this area. You have been in this field for some times. Maybe your undergraduate degree is related to this area. Your postgraduate degree is related to this area, and how many research you have done already in this area. So highlight your potential for the committee. Highlight your expertise for the committee so that they can trust you, they can believe you that you can do this job. So showcase the potential collaborations and partnership that will enhance your research and its impact. It's very important, especially if you are doing, the research for award or funding that is not academic research, right? Academic research, you are not doing the research for a certificate, okay? So it is very good to collaborate with the other researchers, with the other experts, in your country or in different countries, in different cities, even if they are coming from different specializations. But, it is very good to have multidisciplinary research with the other experts from other areas. So all this will give you strength in your research. And the committee, they love to see some kind of a collaboration and networking with the other potential researchers from other disciplines as well. So use that if possible for your research. Also, you need, before you submit your proposal, you need polishing and proofreading. Polishing and proofreading means ensure that your proposal is well structured, easy to read, and free from any grammatical errors. So make sure that there are no mistake, no spelling mistake, grammar mistakes, no unnecessary space here and there. Make sure that it's well written, well organized, everything is clear, right? So follow a well, structure so that when you present your proposal, everyone will love to read it. So use visual chart and tables to enhance your clarity and visual appeal. So don't just use the text and no. Use figures, table, chart, make them colorful, but try to avoid unnecessary use of anything, even the chart tables. If there is no need to use them, do not use them. Only use them when you need. The tables, the chart, and visual, items. So use them appropriately. Also, try to get the feedback from trusted colleagues, trusted expertise, your good friends, your professors, your mentors. Try to give them your proposal, ask them to go through your proposal and give you the feedback to refine your research proposal before the submission. This is a very, very important. This is very crucial for the success of your research proposal. Always do not forget, but do it when you finish everything. Your proposal now is ready. Before the submission, the final submission to the committee, find 2-3 colleagues, expertise, experts, and those are in this area. Let them read and give you the feedback, positive or negative feedback, doesn't matter. And if you get any good comments, constructive comments, make necessary changes before you submit. Make necessary changes before you submit. So I believe if you follow these steps, these strategies, your research proposal will go through. And I believe it will be approved, it will be accepted, and you will be successful as well in your research. I wish you all the best. Thank you.